This is us watching Kevin Bowl.
Left quick. Oh, baby!
Let's go.
So Wesley can strike out here. He needs the last two for 247 to shoot 763. Kevin's got front 9 for 763 if he gets all 3 in the 10th.
Basically, he needs to shoot 300 to tie this man. Unless...
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Was that the dagger?
No, because Kevin needs to match him.
No. What I'm saying is Kevin's ball motion is so damn good.
Yeah.
Did Kevin just win this on the bench because he's going to shoot 300?
Chris, tell Kevin that he's the slowest man on the face of the earth when it comes to bowling.
I can't because I bowl next to Jake every week.
Double the 10th to win for Kevin.
Oh, it's slow.
Oh my.
It looks slow on TV.
It's to the left, though. To the left.
Slow and left, wouldn't that overhook?
Not if you roll it the right way. Well,
8's a loser.
I mean, either way, someone's shooting 750 and losing.
Yeah. Oh.
He heard it. He heard his shit.
Someone did that to him.
He heard Chris fart.
I think somebody went.
Oh, that's fast and firm.
Oh!
Oh my God. No, you know he's going to continue to freak out if he strikes.
That's pretty good. That's a good one.
That is impressive.
That was sick.
we're all finished up here at the Masters. I'm chilling in the paddock after my second round loss. Overall, I think it was a pretty good tournament for me. Obviously, I wanted to do better. I just came off a win. I was feeling really good about my game. And I think my focus just wasn't quite there. I wasn't focused on my shots. I was trying to recreate what other people were doing instead of trying to stay within myself and within my game. We got the World Series next week, which is 60 games of qualifying, 20 on 3 different patterns, which is going to be really exciting. So stay tuned for that. We got some fun challenges coming at you and a special video with Belmo coming this week. So stay tuned. Don't forget, click that subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.